Hello creative, and welcome to my new class, at the end of which you'll be able to draw this interior with ease and grace. I will show you step by step how to draw two interiors to scale and with the use of meter grid. One of the bathroom and the other one of the kitchen. You will learn marker technique for your interior drawings, plus we will do a very interesting warm-up exercises. So even if you're a complete beginner, these perspective views will become a piece of cake for you. In this class, we will dive deep into the secrets of perspective drawing with the uplifted eye level, which will add so much visual dynamic to your interior sketches. Here we will locate the horizon line quite high in the drawing. This positioning is really beneficial to use if you are dealing with tiny interiors like a bathroom or a small kitchen, or if you want to show beautiful textures and finishes on the tabletops and flooring. So, are you excited to draw with me? I am looking forward to sketch with you, my dear creative. So I can't wait to see you inside the class.